a little in my hands like this, and I rub it in my hands. It's going to be very, very creamy and nice. And then I just apply it on my skin in circular motion. Hello everyone, welcome, 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 welcome. Now, one thing that you can do to your skin to make your skin really, really love you, and that is to exfoliate the skin. Now, why is this so important? It is important because it gets rid of dead skin cells. It also cleans those pores out. It gets rid of grease and dirt from the skin, and most time when you exfoliate your skin, at least 2 to 3 times per week, guys, it will leave your skin looking younger and fresher and brighter. Now, what I'm going to do for you today, guys, I am going to share a very unique exfoliator with you. This exfoliator, I'm using only 3 ingredients. 3 ingredients that are known to get rid of grease and dirt from the skin. This is good for rough, dry looking skin, but this is also good for the perfect skin. Now, if you have perfect skin, you still need to exfoliate the skin, so make this great for everyone. However, for sensitive skin, do a little patch testing before you use this one. So if you're looking to brighten the skin, if you're looking for glass-like skin, if you're looking for younger, fresher skin that is free from hyperpigmentation, free from pimples, and free from blackheads, this remedy is for you. So continue watching. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have some petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is hydrating to the skin. However, today we're using petroleum jelly to exfoliate the skin, to get rid of dullness, to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin. We're going to be making a scrub out of the petroleum jelly. And this is such an amazing scrub, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take about a tablespoon of the petroleum jelly, and next I'm going to reach for some baking soda, and baking soda will have to exfoliate the skin, clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. Baking soda will also have to clean those pores out and leave your skin spotless. So we're going to run about a tablespoon of baking soda in our petroleum jelly, and we're going to slowly blend the two together. Now, if you do not want to use baking soda, you can go ahead and you can use some coconut oil. However, I'm also going to be adding a little bit of a coconut oil to this recipe. So we're just slowly blending the 2 ingredients together. This works like a charm, guys. This is so amazing. So blend in your petroleum jelly with your baking soda, and it's gonna get a little stiff, guys. Just keep warming the petroleum jelly up by just mixing it in. So keep mixing, and it's coming nicely, guys, coming nicely along. Now once you're satisfied with that, then you're gonna reach for your next ingredient. Now our next ingredient, guys, is coconut oil, which is really hydrating to the skin. All I'm putting in this, guys, is about 2 to 3 drops of the coconut oil, not a lot, and that is just about right. And now we're gonna blend all 3 ingredients together. So we're blending petroleum jelly, baking soda, and coconut oil. Now once this is totally mixed, guys, this is it. This is your facial scrub. To use this facial scrub, you're just going to apply it on your skin, and you're going to use it to exfoliate your skin. This is amazing, guys. You really need to try this. So just exfoliate your skin in circular motion. And surprisingly, guys, it's not going to feel greasy. That's the beauty of this. Once you exfoliate your skin, and look at that, it is just brightening and lightening my skin right away, guys. This is truly an amazing way to brighten the skin. basically instant brightness to the skin. Now once this is done, just rinse this off with some warm water. And take a look at my skin, guys. Take a look at how glowing my skin is. Guys, this is amazing. So use this up. You can choose to use this 2 to 3 times per week for best result. Before you know it, you're on your way to clear, bright, glowing skin. Amazing, guys. This is a must try. This is a must try. So there you have it, guys. 3 ingredients: petroleum jelly, coconut oil, and baking soda. Guys, this will take your skin to the next level. Don't be skeptical. Give it a go. Use it on your skin. Give it a week or 2 and come back and leave a comment. However, the very first time you use this, guys, you're going to notice a huge difference to the skin. Your skin is going to feel softer and it's just going to have a natural glow. So use it up and come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye. Happy exfoliating.